You know, when I have big ignorant hair, I feel like a new woman. This is from I See Hair, ladies and gentlemen. Kinky curly reddish brown glueless wig, pre-cut. Where go? All of those things are true. It is pre-cut. Now, let me tell you, I have 20 inches, I believe. Oh, and that's hot. 20 inches is selling like flapjacks. Big, beautiful hair it's always going to be a flex for me. Even if it's not my hair, that's how much of a flex it is. But I love this. It's not hot. It's like nothing. You obviously know you have something on your head, but there's no weight. It's not weighted. It's absolutely beautiful. The color pops. The color is lovely. It's a nice reddish brown, so it's not too much. It's not fire truck red. Red velvet cake. Ooh. And it's so sweet. Oh my God. And look how it blends in with my skin. I just used my foundation on it. That's how good that lace is. That's why I had to melt it. Because I'm like, if it looked like this, glueless, big baby. Huh? Mm-hmm.